Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I am here in front of you all with a very big update, that is the results of the examinations of the SSC. And guys, here I am talking about the two specific results. The first one is Junior Hindi Translator, Junior Translator, Senior Hindi Translator and Hindi Pradhyapak Examination Paper 2, and the second one is Combined Graduate Level 2019 Tier 1. I am talking about these two results. These two will be going to be announced by the SSC in the month of June only. Yeah guys, finally the wait is over. By the end of the June or by in the mid of the June, means any time in the June we can expect the result to be announced by the SSC. They have said in their official notice, which I have downloaded from their website only. You can see I have placed it for you also, and I am going to read it now for you. Based on the review of the status of the pending results and keeping into account the overall current scenario, it has been decided by the Commission to announce the following results in the month of June 2020. And guys, they have not mentioned about the 2018 Tier 3 result etc., because for the Tier 3 results they will have to examine the copies. And you know, there is one more issue also, which is UFM. Without the perfect clarification on the CHSL UFM, they can't continue with the results of the MTS and CGL, because in that also the same issue will be raised again if they continue the same things. So they have to firstly review the whole situation, and then only they can decide whether how to declare the results, how to examine the copies etc. So about those results it will be announced later. Now you can see that it is also written here in the second point that the schedule of the declaration of the remaining results will be intimated in due course, subject to the prevailing conditions and government guidelines issued from time to time regarding handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. And also the copies have to be examined physically by the examiners, so they have to make the specific arrangements for each and everything. So after the whole staff is there and etc., they will review this situation, and then they will see how when to announce the dates and when to declare the results, what should be the procedure of the UFM and etc. And then they will be going to announce the results. And in the last point, they have stated that the candidates are advised to visit the website of the commission at regular intervals for further updates. And guys, I came here just to give you this update. So if you are liking the channel contents, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching.